Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. I'm going to run a few errands with the Panther. I got to run by the junkyard, grab a part for somebody real quick, run by the machine shop, see if they can tap my manifold for Queen Bee. I get back here and clean up Queen Bee, ready for the trip. Going in the salvage yard. It's supposed to be windy. It's not, so I think I'm going to switch over to Facebook Live. Hadn't done that in a while, and it's not windy. So let me go Robert DIY Facebook Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight bulb on a 2006 Honda Accord. This is going to be the same for a lot of these Honda Accords. I'll see if I can find another one to shoot it on. But this has got the 3.0, which I don't think matters. Hold on a second. I have misplaced my tool. I will be right back. So you open the hood. The light assembly's here. I believe the low beam is on the outside. The high beam is on the inside. So when you look in here, you can see the high beam bulb there. It is not locked all the way in. Let me see if I can lock that all the way in. But basically, you grab the light bulb assembly, you turn it counterclockwise, a quarter of a turn, then you pull it out. That's it, the bulb is accessible. Now these are halogen bulbs, so you do not want to touch them with your finger. Let me show you how to unplug them. I think what you want to do next is push this tab on there. It's got a little springy motion, and when you do that, with two hands, you can pull the bulb socket off of the light. Let me see if I can set this on here and show you how that works. Have the light out of the socket. Don't want to touch the bulb. You want to push on this thing here, and you want to pull the light out of the socket like that. Then to put it in, you just take it, you press it in until it clicks. Once it clicks, you can reset the bulb in the socket of the light housing. You put it on a little bit of an angle, push it in there, and then you turn it a little bit clockwise to lock it in. Let's see if we can get this in there. Okay. Take the light, put it in the hole. You line that up so that it fits in there as best you can. Then you turn that thing clockwise until it locks in. There you have it. That's the high beam one. Now the low beam one is a little harder to reach because it's over there, but it works the same way. So you reach your hand down there, put your hand on it, you turn that thing counterclockwise. Man, that's hard. Gotta put some brute strength on it. So let me reach down there, try to get my hand on there from a different angle. Turn that thing out. There it is. It came out. Pull the bulb out. Now you do the same thing. You squeeze that tab there and unplug the bulb from the socket. So it's really easy. Just takes a minute or two. That's it. Quick and easy. It just takes a little strength. So if you're not strong enough to do it, find somebody to help you. At the machine shop. Hey, what's up? Seat swapped over. The airbag safety stowed. I'm gonna put this back on. And I got the airbag safety in that one. Bilstein is kind enough to sell the struts now without the bracket to secure your ABS sensor line harness. So I'm going to go ahead and drill and tap in the screw holes so I can put that bracket on there and install these struts. The OEM strut's going to have it on both sides, this side and this side, but you only need it on the side that points toward the rear of the car. So on this strut I'm going to put it on this side, on the other strut I'm going to put it on the other side. I'm going to start out by drilling a hole 5/32. I'm going to try to use a 5 mil tap, but this is hardened steel, so if this hole is not big enough, then I'll switch to the 11/64 size drill bit. So I got that clamped on there. I'm going to go ahead and drill a hole, try to tap it, and try to put the screw in. Drilling through steel, hardened steel, so I'm going to put a little oil on the bit, and I'm going to go nice and slow. You don't want to go too fast when you're drilling through steel. So putting some pressure on it, nice and slow. Holes drilled. Now I'm going to try to see if I can get my tap to turn in. So get you a tool, see if you can get that tap started in there, turn that thing in there. What you're going to need is an 11/64. The tap you're going to need is a 5 mil 0.9 thread pitch, and you'll get your screw in. Let me go get the other one and do it. Winds. Check out those flags popping. And it's flying the dirt around pretty bad. That is the American flag and the POW-MIA flag. PA hospital. And this hospital is dedicated to this Medal of Honor winner, Captain Raymond G. Tierney. Might have showed that to you guys before. He was a Marine. But yeah, these winds are rough. I got a mask on because it's so rough. I'm gonna go pack up Queen Bee and Panther. Taking Queen Bee on the road. Gotta make sure it's ready. So, uh-oh, they're playing reveille. Let me go respect the flag. The trunk of Queen Bee, only put stuff in there that I may tinker with while I'm out of town and things that I need for out of town. And move the dash cam over to Queen Bee. Anything else I need, get ready to roll. See, Queen Bee is full of stuff. I also have a ECU, stage 1 ECU tune from one of my viewers. I'm going to put it in Queen Bee since I know I have a good wastegate exhaust flange, and I'm going to dyno it, and so you can see what the numbers are over the stock ECU, and then I'm going to change some exhaust stuff and dyno it again, and then I believe the person that owns it is interested in selling it because he's gone to a stage 3 tune. So stay tuned, that may be a deal for somebody wanting a little bit more performance. Let me put some gloves on and empty this trunk out. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.